Hello, I'm Lieutenant Governor Boyd Rutherford. Welcome to the 2021 Maryland Green Registry Sustainability Leadership Awards. This past year, during the coronavirus pandemic, has presented many challenges. The Maryland Green Registry is now in its 12th year. The free statewide program encourages organizations of all types to share their environmental best practices in online member profiles so that others may learn from their experiences. Members of the Maryland Green Registry have displayed great resilience as they have moved forward. The nearly 600 member organizations, from small businesses to local governments, churches, schools, and manufacturers, continue even now to implement sustainable business practices. As a result, these practices help reduce the environmental impact of their work. Thank you to the members of the Maryland Green Registry for your commitment to innovation and sustainability in the workplace. It is organizations like yours that make our state competitive and kept Maryland open for business. Congratulations to this year's Sustainability Leadership Award winners, which for the first time will include state agencies. Next, Secretary Ben Grumbles of the Maryland Department of Environment will unveil the winners. Secretary Grumbles.
Thank you, Lieutenant Governor Rutherford. I'm coming to you from the Great Green Roof at Montgomery Park in Baltimore. It's the headquarters of Maryland Department of the Environment. The 2021 Maryland Green Registry Sustainability Leadership Awards reflects great progress and continued success. This year's results reflect that.
Members have reduced 6 million pounds of waste, 593 million gallons of fuel, 482 million kilowatt hours of electricity, 250 million gallons of water, and saved $94 million through sustainable practices.
Thank you for all of that impressive work. This year, we asked the award winners to share videos of their facilities. Let's take a look.
The first award goes to the Baltimore Community Tool Bank. The Baltimore Community Tool Bank serves community-based organizations by providing tools, equipment, and expertise. They are collecting more than 1 million gallons of rainfall annually through their stormwater factory and repurposing the water for tool washing. They promote waste reduction and reuse through their tool lending program, and they have reduced on-site energy consumption by 40%. Let's take a look at their video.
Sustainability at the Tool Bank is an active, intentional approach that embodies and reflects our philosophy of service. We are located in a highly industrial neighborhood where a majority of surfaces are highly developed and highly impervious. Every time it rains, trash, runoff, and surface pollution pose a threat to nearby waterways. Knowing this, we intentionally reduce our environmental footprint by managing stormwater that runs off our roof and would otherwise contribute to harmful pollution that impacts nearby waterways and that flow directly into the Chesapeake Bay. We take care of 2.5 acres of rooftop runoff, including neighboring buildings. In the front of our warehouse facility, we have sizable rain gardens populated with native plants that create biohabitat for a range of pollinators. Birds, bees, bats and butterflies, and more thrive in our rain gardens. Often, the images we share of our flora and fauna look like they were taken in a faraway field. But when you zoom out, you can see that we live in the middle of a hyper-industrial neighborhood, and our rain gardens thrive less than 1 mile from downtown Baltimore City.
Thank you, Baltimore Community Tool Bank. Our next winner is the Chesapeake Bay Roasting Company. The Chesapeake Bay Roasting Company, located in Crofton, purchases organic, fair trade, and bird-friendly certified coffee beans and actively engages with global and local supply chain to address environmental impacts. They have worked with bird-friendly certified coffee suppliers to eliminate plastic bag reliners. They've reduced plastic film waste in the packaging process and collect coffee grounds for composting. Let's take a look at their video.
Hello, and welcome to the Chesapeake Bay Roasting Company. Today I'd like to talk to you about a project we're extremely passionate about here, our Smithsonian Migratory Bird Center bird-friendly line of coffees. Money from these coffees goes to support native biodiversity in 2 coffee-growing regions, Guatemala and Honduras. They're shade-grown, they're fair trade, and they're organic. And it really highlights the importance of creating a responsible supply chain from here in Maryland all the way around the world. If you'd like to find out more about our sustainability goals, please check out our 2020 sustainability report at cbrccoffee.com.
Thank you, Chesapeake Bay Roasting Company. Our next winner is the Frederick County government. Frederick County, with a population of 260,000 citizens, is working toward greenhouse gas reduction goals of 50% from 2010 levels by 2030 and 100% by 2050. They have completed energy assessments of 25 county buildings and upgraded lighting, roofing, and mechanical equipment. They are meeting 20% of their building's electricity demand with distributed renewable energy generation, and they are powering the county's electric fleet vehicles through solar arrays. Let's take a look at their video.
Hello and welcome to Frederick County Government, where going green means saving green. We're meeting Maryland Smart Energy Community goals for renewable power generation with our solar photovoltaics, and we're powering our electric vehicles with the sun.
We are driving the future here at Transit, providing safe, affordable, and sustainable transportation to all Frederick County residents. We operate 9 electric buses here at Transit, all of which are powered by the sun.
DPW secured a $45,000 grant from the Maryland Energy Administration for a 75 kilowatt solar canopy at the Bourne building. Construction and design is estimated to cost $450,000, and a 25-year payback period should be realized.
We're Frederick County Government and we're powered by the sun.
Thank you, Frederick County. Our next winner is the University of Maryland, Baltimore County. University of Maryland, Baltimore County is a public research university with nearly 14,000 students located in Catonsville, Maryland. They revised their climate action plan by moving up the date for targeted carbon neutrality from 2075 to 2050, while also establishing climate change resilience metrics. They upgraded mechanical and electrical equipment, lighting, and irrigation controls, saving more than 12.7 million kilowatt hours and 3 million gallons of water annually. And they compost all their food scraps and landscaping waste. Let's take a look at their video.
Welcome to the University of Maryland, Baltimore County.
Here at UMBC, sustainability is about considering the complexity and integration of natural, human, and social systems that maintain our thriving world. We act locally and think globally.
Currently, 40% of our campus energy comes from renewable sources, and we have reduced our greenhouse gas emissions by 20%. Every new building or large renovation project is built to LEED certification standards. We currently have 4 LEED certified buildings on our campus.
The UMBC campus is located at the heart of the Chesapeake watershed. Our 5 green roofs and stormwater improvement projects like our library pond reduce runoff pollution and improve local water quality.
The UMBC community as a whole is essential to building a more sustainable campus and envisioning creative ways to solve complex problems. Our campus community collaborated to divert over 500 pounds of plastic film waste from the landfill in just a few months.
Collaboration has led UMBC to be recognized as a leader in sustainability and will continue to be the key to us achieving our sustainability goals.
Thank you, UMBC. Our next winner is West Nottingham Academy. West Nottingham Academy is an independent co-ed school in Colora, Maryland. They have diverted over 6 tons of food waste to nearby Kilby Farm for use in the farm's methane digester and composting area. They have powered the campus through a solar array that exceeds the electrical needs of the entire campus and are working toward the elimination of all single-use plastics on campus. Let's take a look at their video.
Hi, I'm Dr. Virginia Kennedy, head of school. Welcome to West Nottingham Academy. We have a beautiful 100-acre campus located in Calora, Maryland in Cecil County. The motto of our school is nothing without work, and the motto of our sustainability program is nothing without earth. We work to sustain the earth that sustains our lives. Led by our Student Environmental Council, some of our sustainability programs include food waste diversion, which diverts all food waste to our partner farm, Kilby Farm, where it becomes clean energy and compost. Through the Alliance for the Chesapeake Bay, we received a grant to plant 22 acres of trees for climate change mitigation, stormwater runoff prevention, and to regenerate biodiversity. We have solar panels and apiary, a serious reduce and reuse program, and our students and staff are committed to advocacy for environmental justice. Thank you so much, Maryland Green Registry and the Maryland Department of the Environment, for this recognition. We are grateful and honored to be leaders in Maryland sustainability.
Thank you, West Nottingham. As Lieutenant Governor Rutherford shared, we are recognizing state facilities for the first time with these awards. Governor Hogan's executive order, which sets energy efficiency goals at state-owned buildings, is driving a lot of hard work and collaboration. So we're presenting 2 Energy Performance Awards this year. The first award recognizes energy performance at a state agency, and it goes to the Department of Health, the Maryland Department of Health. They promote the health and safety of all Marylanders and operate numerous hospitals and health care facilities throughout the state. They have completed 10 energy performance contract projects, resulting in annual energy use reductions of 316,000 MMBTUs and an annual reduction of 20,806 tons of CO2. They've installed an EV charging system at Eastern Shore Hospital Center and installed a green roof at the Maryland Public Health Laboratory. Let's take a look at their video.
Hello, I'm Dennis Schrader, Secretary of the Maryland Department of Health. The main mission of the department is to promote and improve the health and safety of all Marylanders. We operate numerous hospitals, healthcare, and other related facilities throughout the state. The more than 4.5 million square feet of space we manage consumes a significant amount of energy. For more than 20 years, we have been proactive in pursuing and implementing various energy conservation efforts. We are thrilled to be the recipient of the 2021 Maryland Green Registry State Agency Energy Award. On behalf of the Department of Health, thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Schrader, and your team for the great work you're doing at MDH. The second Energy Award recognizes energy performance at an individual state-owned building, and it goes to the Rockville District Court and Multi-Service Center managed by the Maryland Department of General Services. The Rockville District Court is a 167,000 square foot building constructed in 2011 that houses several state agencies performing court-related functions. They have improved the efficiency of the building's equipment and systems through retro commissioning. They've reduced the energy use of the heating and cooling system by over 50%. And they've abated CO2 emissions by nearly 300 tons per year. Let's take a look at their video.
The Maryland Department of General Services is honored to accept the Green Registry Award for the most improved buildings for its retro-commissioning of our Rockville District Court Multi-Service Center. In collaboration with our Energy and Facilities Management Department, General Services has improved the efficiency of our Rockville District Court equipment and systems. The building's control systems were reprogrammed to function more efficiently, and fans, dampers, and other components were returned to automatic operation, and the VAC system software was updated to provide better system visibility, which provides quicker problem identification. In addition, the newly controlled HVAC system uses half the energy as the building did previously and saves almost $65,000 in electricity annually, paying for the cost of the project in less than 24 months. On behalf of the entire department, I'd like to thank the Maryland Department of Environment for this recognition. General Services remains committed to saving energy, reducing operating costs, and creating a healthier planet.
Thank you, Secretary Churchill, for the work the Maryland Department of General Services is doing to reduce energy use across all state-owned buildings. It's now time to announce the 2021 Sustainability Leadership Circle designees. The Leadership Circle is a one-year designation for former Leadership Award winners that have implemented significant new sustainable practices in the past year. Leadership Circle members embrace the central mission of the Maryland Green Registry, which is the promotion of continual improvement in environmental performance. We thank them for their continued high performance and for demonstrating the benefits of setting annual goals and pursuing them through strong and active green teams. This year's Leadership Circle designees are AstraZeneca, CertainTeed, Hub Labels, Northrop Grumman, Pearlstone. Their new projects include setting and working toward new greenhouse gas reduction goals, significant water use reduction, and achieving challenging new environmental certification standards. Thank you again for leading the way. And next, we'll turn to Laura Armstrong for this year's prize drawing.
Hi, I'm Laura Armstrong, Director of the Sustainability Program at the Maryland Department of the Environment. For this year's prize drawing, we asked members to share the environmental certification programs that they participate in. These programs drive environmental performance through challenging requirements and independent auditing. So I really encourage you to visit the Certification Central webpage on the Maryland Green Registry website to see the broad array of programs that our members are participating in. And in addition to sharing their certification, they have also offered to share their expertise. So please consider that as well. They have a lot to share about their experiences and tips in achieving these programs. So we put the names of the participants in a hat and we've drawn them out.
And the prize winners are Bethesda Green, Garden and Garnish, MedStar Hospital, the Town of Berlin, and WD Diamonds.
This concludes our award ceremony for this year. Thanks to all the members, businesses, and organizations for all the great work you're doing. Keep up the terrific work and have a great summer.